Let's take a look at today's price action. So coming into the market today, I was leaning very bullish because we are trading near all-time highs and we are like 50 points away from it. We're also delivering out of this 4-hour gap right here, and I did not anticipate this 4-hour bearish fair value gap to hold. We swept out this 4-hour low right here, and you can see that we started respecting bullish order flow. Coming into 9:30 opening, I had two scenarios that I wanted to see. First one being dropping down into the 30-minute gap and then getting a nice judo swing up to the all-time highs. The other scenario I told my Discord was that we dropped all the way down here, maybe made an SMT right here, and then going to all-time highs. And as you can see, both scenarios actually happen here. We tap into this 30-minute gap as well as the 1-hour gap and creating this SMT down here, so I was very open for looking for a long at this point in time. I was actually really hoping to take this 5-minute inversion right here if we got a better close, but as you can see, it just closed so high that my risk to reward would have sucked. Anyways, we end up displacing higher and creating this 5-minute gap right here, which I wanted to see continuation trades from. At 9:45 we opened up a new 15-minute candle right here, which I wanted to see price manipulate into this 5-minute gap, then get a long up to all-time highs. And as you can see right here, this is exactly what happened. We got our 1-minute inversion up here, so I decided to take my trade right here, leaving my stop at the CE of this wick right here and targeting a fixed 1-to-1. There was an even better setup down here, which was a 30-second inversion, but I didn't pay attention to the 30-second chart. I didn't have trade weight open, and yeah, that just kinda sucks. But I took this trade right here. When we took all-time high, I decided to de-risk my position to this low right here, because I thought that if we were going to displace through this low right here instead of turtle swooping it, we would just go lower from here. Plus 10 AM has also opened, so a remanipulation could have been possible. At this point in time right here, I decided to go break even because we were opening up a new 50-minute candle as well as a 15-minute fair value gap. And I was actually prepared to be taken out at break even because this looks like such a beautiful AMD model right here. We get this accumulation, we then manipulate into this newly open created 15-minute gap and then displacing higher from there. But as you can see, that was not the case. I trimmed some of my contracts off here at a risk to reward about 1 to 1.12 or something like that, and I left a runner. I then trailed a little bit harder at like right here, and I got stopped out by it like a tick and it proceeded higher. Anyways, that'll be it for this trade recap. Let me know if you took anything.